We're here today at Keflavik Air Base with a P-8 Poseidon and A400M on a short detachment as part of developing our ongoing security relationship with Iceland, a fellow NATO member and also a fellow member now of the Joint Expeditionary Force. Keflavik Air Base provides us a huge opportunity to demonstrate and practice the agility and deployability of our forces, and it'll allow us to extend the reach of our maritime patrol aircraft in the North Atlantic over the coming years. In addition, we've also got some Royal Air Force Atlas Space Management personnel here today, working with the Icelandic personnel in their control and reporting centre. This is the centre that works as part of NATO to make sure the skies are safe over the North Atlantic. And we're looking ahead for future years to replicate our Icelandic air policing deployment. The Royal Air Force was last here in 2019 with a Typhoon aircraft, and we're looking for future opportunities in air policing.